Hello guys, and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorials. So guys, in the previous video we successfully configured the pie chart, and now we are able to see the counts related to every functionality right here. Guys, in this specific video we are going to configure the pie chart once again, but this time related to basic user right here. So let's start without further talking, and first of all let me clear it out that we are not able to see the pie chart right here on the user dashboard. Why? The reason is, guys, let me show you. Public, backend, JS, demo, and right here. So if you remember, we removed everything. We actually cut everything from right here and we pasted it on the admin dashboard page. So that is the only reason we are not able to see the pie chart right here. So guys, no worries, we are going to delete this file because we don't need this anymore. So I'm just going to delete this file, and now let's configure the pie chart for the user dashboard. For that, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for the dashboard that is related to admin right here, this one, backend dashboard. So yeah, let's move down. Okay, now let's copy this script from right here till here, the opening brackets. Let's copy it. Now let's search for the dashboard once again, but this time related to user panel. So yeah, this one, let's move down, and I don't need this script file because we have already deleted this. So yeah, let's paste our script right here. Now what we need to do is, let me open the admin related dashboard, and all I'm going to do is remove this comment script. So yeah, so I will just close this admin dashboard, admin related dashboard, and now we are going to work on the dashboard that is related to user. So yeah guys, what we can do right here is, actually we don't need all these counts right here, so let's remove them. Now let's put some dummy data. So let's say 4, 5, and 7, let's say. Yeah, and now we should be able to see our chart. Let's do a refresh. Okay, so now you can see we have our chart right here. Now let's start implementing the changes. So first of all, we need to change this header color and the text type. So yeah, primary, success, and right here I want the info. So let's move right here. We need to make the changes on the third card. So first one, second, and the third one right here. So it's success, you can see. Let's make it info, and right here as well. Just like that. Okay, let's move. And the other thing I want to do is, actually I want to rename this. So yeah, blogs, and right here let's say approved blogs, and the third one would be awaiting blogs. Okay, yeah, let's move forward. Let's do a refresh. Okay, so now we can see the changes. Now we need to make the changes right here, because you can see we are seeing categories on hovering the blocks area of the pie chart. So yeah, let's move down right here. Let's do the changes. I don't need the categories and the tags. All I need is blogs and approved blogs and awaiting blogs. So yeah, so let's remove them all, and let's see it in action once again. So blogs, approved blogs, and right here awaiting blogs. Now you can see we have some dummy data like 7, 4, and 5. So yeah, let's get the actual count. And how can we do that? For that we need to move to backend controller. I need to find the method using which we are returning our user panel dashboard. So yeah, let's move down, and this is the one, user dashboard. So actually we have the counts right here, so we don't need to do anything extra, because you can see we are getting the blocks count, approved blocks count, and awaiting blocks count. And in order to get the user related data, actually we need to find that specific user first. So right here, that's what I'm doing right here. User ID, authenticated user ID, whoever is logged in, I need to get the ID, as simple as that. Then based on that user ID, I'm getting all the blocks. Based on that user ID, I'm getting all the approved blocks and the awaiting blocks. So all we can do is, right here, let's move right here, and let's display the count. So first of all, $logs count, and the second one is $approved blocks count, and the third one is $awaiting blocks count. And let's do a refresh. Okay, and one more thing, actually we don't need all these colors, so in my case I need only 3, so yeah, that's fine. Let's do a refresh. And one last thing, as you can see we have our count right here, so 4 2 2, which is fine. Now the last thing I want to do is I need to remove this, so yeah, okay, let's move right here up. And actually I don't need this div or this anchor. Actually we can remove this div as well if you want to, no problem. And let's change the heading to, let's say, pie chart overview, let's say, or let's say chart overview. It's totally up to you. Okay, let's do a refresh once again, and now it's fine. Okay guys, so now what we can do is, actually I saw one thing. Let's say if I moved, because this section is complete, so yeah, let's move forward. Guys, I saw something. Let's say if I click on this view site, we are redirected to this home blade, and let's say if I want to go back to my dashboard, all I need to do is click here. Actually I want to configure a link right here, using which user can simply redirect to the dashboard as well if he wants to. So for that I have a condition in mind. Let's say if any specific user is logged in, we need to show a link right here. Either it's a normal or basic user, or it's an admin. So yeah, for that what I'm going to do is let's implement the link. So yeah, let's move to resources, front end, because it is related to front end. So layout and topnet, this one. So yeah guys, right here you can see the condition. We are checking for the authenticated user. So in this specific condition we are checking if no specific user or no user is logged in, we need to show the login and register page. Else condition, else right here means that any specific user is logged in, or some user, let's say, you can say whatever you like. The actual meaning right here is that someone is logged in. So if any specific user is logged in, you need to show the logout button, as simple as that. So in my condition, the condition which I'm going to implement right now to display the dashboard link, I need to check for the authenticated user first. So in that case I need to come here. Once again, if no user is logged in, you need to do this. Else means a user is logged in, and in that case what I need to do is I'm going to use for each auth user roles. I'm using a relationship. Let me show you, users.php. So I'm using this relationship to get the role out of the user. Okay, authenticated user. So yeah, roles as $role as an individual role, because the relationship type was many to many. So yeah, and for each, and inside this for each I need a condition at if $role ID equals to 1, then you need to do something else, you need to do something else. So yeah, so let's copy this link from right here, copy, and let's paste it right here. And let's say if the role ID is 1, so in that case I need to redirect user to the admin dashboard, because in that case the logged in user is admin. So dashboard, sorry for that. Okay, and right here as well we can simply paste it right here with D capital. Okay, and let's copy this link once again, and let's say if role ID is not equal to 1, in that condition I need to redirect user to the user dashboard, because in that case the user is a basic user or normal user. So user dashboard, and just like that. So yeah, let's see it in action. Let's do a refresh. Okay, so I think I missed something. Yeah, and for each. So actually I did the same mistake in the Urdu lecture, sorry for that guys. And if, so let's do a refresh. Yeah, now it's fine. You can see the dashboard link. Let's click on it, because I'm logged in using a normal user account. So yeah, I'm redirected to user dashboard. Let's try it once again. View site, dashboard, and we are redirected back. So let's do once again, and this time I'm going to log out. Let's click log out. Now we are logged out, and you can see we are not able to see any dashboard link. Why? Because of this specific condition, no user is logged in. Okay, so yeah guys, now let's try the admin user. So for that, let's click here and sign in. Okay, let's view site. You can see the dashboard right here, dashboard, and we are redirected to admin dashboard. So yeah guys, this functionality is working fine, and that's it from this specific video. And I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.